This video will show you how to edit the slider on the website. So a slider, sometimes also called the banner, on the home page, it's the big area at the top here that has the main text and images and kind of transitions. They call that a slider. So if you want to change the images or the text in these, it's very easy to do. First, log into the website. You'll notice that after you log in, this black bar appears at the top. This is called the WordPress admin bar. Only you can see this and other people can't. This is what lets you edit the website. So in order to change the slider, also called the banner, go up here to the top. Do not go to Edit Page. Instead, go to Edit with Elementor. Elementor is a plugin we use on the website to make it easier to edit the system. So as you hover over, you'll notice a little drop-down menu appears, and it says Slide 1, Slide 2, Slide 3. These are the various slides on the banner here. And so what we can do to edit one, we just go to, for example, this first one, just click on Slide 1. It'll open the editor here. And here you'll be able to see on the right hand side, you can see what it looks like. And on the left are all the tools to make edits. To make it change anything, just click on it. For example, we want to change the text. You'll notice over here, it lets me now make those changes on the side. And of course, if you make any mistakes, you can just always easily undo them. And if you want to move something around, you can go ahead and notice these little blue icon appears in the upper right hand corner of things when you hover over it. Grab the icon and just drag it wherever you want it to go, and that'll move it around. So it's pretty easy to do. If you want to delete something, just right click over it and go to delete. If you want to duplicate it, you can hit duplicate. Let's say you decide you don't like this photo, you want to change it. You could right click on it and say edit image. Then you notice here on the left hand side it says choose image. Just click on that and you could choose a different image that's on here, or if you have your own image, it's pretty easy. You just grab it from your desktop and just drag it, and you see how it says drop files to upload. So it's pretty simple to do. And of course, with whatever photo you decide to use, make sure you click on it and it's got that little check mark right there. Then hit insert media. And of course, you'll be able to see it right there as you've done it. And if you like what you've done and you like the changes, just hit update to save. If you make any mistakes, you want to undo them, go to the little circle icon that says history, and it lets you go backwards through all the changes we made and just undo them. If you made a lot of mistakes, you want to undo it, go to revisions. And the revisions are every time you save the website, it allows you to click on one of them to reload it. So we could go backwards in time and reload the last changes. And if we wanted to do that, we'd click on one of these and you would click apply to apply it. And once we're done, you hit update to save it. Let us know if you have any questions, and please feel free to contact support.